Okay, it's the next day now, the next morning. Slept really good. I stayed in a Quality Inn in Tullahoma, Tennessee. It was a really nice motel. And so I'm on the road now and heading back to I-24 and I have 8 hours and 17 minutes to my destination, to my first destination. Then after that I still have to go to another hour or so to my motel, my second destination. But anyways, another long drive day, not as long as yesterday, so that's nice. But as far as the audio, you know, I have the connection for the transmitter for the phone, but for some reason it sometimes doesn't stay connected. It'll mute and stuff and I won't notice it, so I'm just using the regular audio that's, you know, on the phone, you know, that hopefully it's all right. But anyways, all set now. Really a beautiful two-lane road right now. Tullahoma is a little ways off of I-24. Just flip that around for you. That's what it looks like right now. And another 5.9 miles and I'll be hitting I-24 heading towards Chattanooga. So I just want to do another little update here for my America 250 road trip. So I'll probably randomly do some video clips while I'm driving, you know, kind of like yesterday. So kind of little updates. Okay, so I'm going to take and continue driving here, and I'll talk to you later. All right, I drove for a while here and decided to make a stop here. Wait, I gotta turn these cameras off. Okay. A couple hours I've been driving. I didn't realize that this place was here, but of course I had to stop. Let me turn this around so you can. There's a Buc-ee's here. What was the name of this town? Union Grove, I think it was. The sign, it says Calhoun. Oh well, that sign that up there, probably can't read it on the camera though. Well, wait a minute, we can zoom in though. Let me grab this off there so I can. There we go. That's where we're at. So I'm gonna stop in there, see if I can find. I'm kind of looking for a little cooler, and a new cooler that's kind of not too big, not too small, but and also get something to drink, something that's a smaller container than those super long bottles that I got at that gas station. They're 1.5 liters. Yeah, I forgot to show you those when I this morning when I bought them, but I didn't film the first clip until I was already driving. But anyways, I'm going to run into Buc-ee's and see what there is. Okay, back in the car. Reduce that fan down. Okay, I'm back in the car, and I saw a small cooler there, but I don't think it was small enough. I think it was just a little taller than I wanted it to be. But anyways, I did get a drink, so Coca-Cola this time. So I'm gonna hit the road again and all right, and head to my next destination. I'm gonna have to stop for gas one more time before that next destination that I'm heading to. So okay, so talk to you later. All right, stopped to fill up on gas. It just happened to be Buc-ee's. Whoops, let me get that back on there. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to take and go park in a parking spot and then go in, and I'm gonna this is empty now, so I'm gonna go in and refill. Well, not refill. This isn't refillable, I don't think, but you gotta go buy another one.
Better, then you come back.
Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm working on it for you.
Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna head in and I'll talk to you later. Okay, back in the car. Bought one. Bought two. There. All right, now I know. I know for sure I got enough to make it to my next destination. So I'm gonna hit the road and we'll talk to you later. Okay. Just got, it's a little after 9 p.m. right now, and I just got my next destination. I left from Buc-ee's, and now I am at Buc-ee's again. I drove from Buc-ee's to here, and I just filled up on gas, and so see, there it's Buc-ee's. Okay, so the next stretch will be to my motel. That's about an hour drive, I think. I haven't looked yet, but I'm going to run inside for a moment, and then I'll be back in the car and be on my way again. So I'll talk to you later. All right. Right now it's about 5 to 11 p.m. I made it to my destination, my final destination for the day. After my like 26-hour drive from home. But anyways, yeah, here's let's take a look at the room tour. When I made my reservations, I thought my brother might be coming with, so there's an extra bed. But there we go. Here, make that like that. And you got, let's see, table, stove, sink, refrigerator, there's a microwave up there. Like a closet here, won't even be using that. A nice chair there. Let's see how this looks in here. Sink, the shower. There we go. Looks good. Should be plenty of room here for me. Today it was a really good drive. Today it went really well, and heavy traffic there for a while. Like, you know, going through Atlanta, and I had some heavy traffic going through Jacksonville. I don't know if it was actually in Jacksonville, but right next to it. I think it was in Jacksonville tonight. But otherwise, it's been really good, and I'm glad I'm here. Got here safely, and I'll be. I just said Jacksonville, didn't I? So kind of gave you a little hint of where I am, didn't I? Maybe you already knew. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video. My second travel day to come here, and tomorrow, gonna head out and look at some stuff. So anyways, yeah, that's about it. It's beautiful out. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the following videos. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you get notified when I get uploaded videos. I'm not exactly sure how or when I'm going to be uploading them, what the schedule is going to be, because right now when I'm on the trip, I want to, you know, film and not waste time editing. So anyways, we'll see how that works out. Anyways, okay, once again, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Okay, it's the next morning. You know, the previous clip was going to be the end of the video, but I decided to do the last clip right now instead. Let's take a step outside and see what it looks like out there. Let's flip this around. It's morning. Let's push that shut. Ah, yes. There's the sunrise over there. There's the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. It's a little after 8 a.m. right now. Down the beach. Beautiful. Oh wow, I'm glad I'm here. Got the swimming pool, hot tub, swimming pool. Oh yeah, so better than Minnesota. So nicer than Minnesota. Oh wow. Yeah, just wanted to show where I was in Florida. Obviously, this is Ormond Beach, Florida. It's just a little north of Daytona Beach, about an hour south of St. Augustine. So that's pretty much where the general area where I'm at right now. Man, that's something else. Just a couple days ago, I was leaving Minnesota, cold, had all that snow piled up. That's recent snowfall when I was driving through Wisconsin, and man, now I'm here. Man, it's nice. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna be here for the next few days and taking a look around. So take and make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell, and so when you know when I upload. And so that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.